Welcome creators and welcome back to Creating with Miss Kaye. I am so glad to have you back, and if this is your first time visiting, welcome. I am so glad to have you. I am so excited about this video. I have done an ivory and teal tablescape. Here's a quick look just to give you an idea of what I put together. I use teal and gold. This is the color for December. So for all you December babies, here's to you. Now I'm going to send a special shout out birthday wish to my sis, my friend, my comedy partner, GG over at GG Faison for the Love of Decor. Love you, GG. I hope you enjoy. Let's watch my intro and then on to the video. See you soon. Here's a look at my tablescape with the lights down and the only lights showing from the miniature Christmas trees that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm using teal, gold, and ivory. I've used 3 floral arrangements for this tablescape. I wanted it to be lavish, I wanted it to be elegant, and of course I wanted it to have lots of bling. So the gold plays with the teal perfectly. Now the ivory, it sort of calms things down to me, but ivories and white bring such elegance to so many different things. And it sure tones things down a lot. Here's a gift box sitting at the head table. If Gigi was my guest at my home, that would be her seat for the evening. I love to entertain, and it's nothing like a good old girlfriend's party. I can't wait till things get back to normal so we can start back having our great fellowship in person. I love cooking and decorating and entertaining for friends and family. This Christmas season will be just a little bit different. We will go probably from about 10 people to 4 people. We want to be as safe as possible. And I'm asking you all, be as safe as possible this Christmas so we can all be together next Christmas. For my centerpiece in the middle, I use this tall teal vase that I purchased from Pier 1 many years ago. My husband actually found it cleaning out the shed and asked me, did I still want it? Of course I did. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to use it more and more. I added these cream poinsettias from Z Gallery. They have the beading as well as pearls on them. I added in gold and the teal swirly picks from Hobby Lobby, and this is how I came up with this beautiful arrangement. And then I did twin arrangements on both sides with more ivory poinsettias and teal picks. Put them in gold vases from Home Goods, and I think everything looks beautiful. I used 2 types of placemats. The first one was a sequin placemat, and then I used a ivory and gold over it, so just a little bit of the teal would show through. Gold plate charger and white plates. I used teal and ivory napkins, so both colors would come out, and a pearl DIY napkin ring. I'm using my gold stemware as well as my gold flatware. These colors just flow together so nicely. Even though they're non-traditional colors, everything still looks festive. You don't have to always stick with the traditional colors. It's sometimes fun just to try new things, put them together, and just wait on the outcome. What non-traditional colors have you used for this season? What non-traditional colors would you like to see used? Even though I know the season is almost up, we have a few more days to put up a few more tablescapes, traditional or non-traditional. It's always about what inspires you, what makes you feel good, what colors make you happy. I know sometimes we're asked to do tablescapes in certain colors, but it's fun just to go ahead and do something that you like, present it, and wait on the oohs and the ahs. So do what motivates you, what inspires you, and what makes you happy. As we close this year out, I would like to wish each of you a happy holidays, a Merry Christmas, and a prosperous New Year. A special thank you to all of my subscribers for all of your support, all of your dedication. I thank you so much. And if you're not one of my subscribers and you like this video, you love videos similar to this, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button? I would love to have you a part of my family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Continue watching the video. I hope that you have enjoyed so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.